In this very video, I'm going to simply guide on how you can build a standard note-taking application and also a tool website. The first thing you need to do is simply go ahead and set up an AdMob account for yourself. Also register on Adsterra, okay? So without further ado, let's get into it right now, okay? The next thing you have to do is simply head over to your browser, copy this particular script right here, okay? So this is what I said. Create a complete note-taking app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in the same block. Make sure to add all the necessary features like saving tab, etc. And it should have header, body, and footer. Also provide sidebars for ads like Adsterra, monetizing, and AdSense, and make use of modern design for the tool. It should be able to function on its own without any API integration. I said the code should be in same block, okay? We want everything to be in same block, okay? Because we're going to be building with our mobile phone, all right? So I tried this particular prompt on DeepSeek and also did the same thing on ChatGPT, okay? All right, so this is the same prompt right here. Create a complete note-taking app and blah blah blah. Then what I did was to copy this particular code. This code right here, this one is for ChatGPT, okay? So I went to my code editor on my mobile phone. Then I click on this. And when you paste that, the next thing you have to do is simply click on this section that says view, okay? So you can show right here, this is what we have as the application. This is the design from ChatGPT, okay? So what we're going to do right now is simply save this design from ChatGPT, then click on this, then save it on a new folder. Okay, then I'm going to click on this. So the file has been saved, all right? And for you to see this file, go to your tab, go to your file manager, simply search for app1, all right? You can show here, this is it, app1. I'm going to see the HTML, index.html. This one is coming from ChatGPT, okay? So we're going to simply pick another one from DeepSeek. So this one right now is coming from DeepSeek. This is it here. We're going to simply copy this code. Let's see the one that is more beautiful, all right? So I'm going to simply delete this one. Then I'm going to paste another stuff right there. I'm going to simply go ahead and edit the name. Click on this pencil button here. Then click on rename. Remember, instead of adding untitled.txt, you're going to add the name of what you want to use, okay? For instance, you can go with index.html, but because you already have this file, we don't want to duplicate it or maybe overwrite it. We want to simply make it unique, okay? Like index z, all right, .html. Then click on save. Then click on this button here to view it via browser, okay? If you click on that, you can see what we have now. For you to make it more better, you're going to simply go to open browser. You can see this is the browser section and this is the sidebars, right? But this is not good on mobile, okay? This is not really good on mobile. We're going to simply make sure we go to the desktop tab. Let's see how it will look like, okay? On the desktop tab, all right, let's see. You can see this is the desktop tab and it's making sense. Let's say I want to say something. Hi, please subscribe to my channel, okay? Then click on this save notes. You can see this note has been saved here on this app, okay? So no matter the type of text you want to save, you're going to simply save it right here. Even if you refresh this, it is still going to be on this very page, okay? So long as you've already saved it, it cannot go out unless you delete it, okay? So these are add, okay? But this is not really good on mobile. We're going to simply give it a prompt to make it like mobile friendly. Then we're going to simply tell it, please then hit on this send button. So we're gonna simply go ahead and copy this code right now, the second one. Let's see if there is any changes, all right? Then come back here. What we have to do is simply go ahead and click on this button icon right here. Click on this button icon. Click on this delete. Then go ahead and paste it again. Okay, when you press that, the next thing you have to do is simply go ahead and click on this pencil icon, then rename it. Remember our name, index, let's say index z.html. Then click on this OK button, then click on play. All right, this is the button we're going to click on it. Good one. You can see it is now very good. These are the ads. This is where you can see the ad right here. Okay, you can see we have the banner, we have the upper header, we have the footer section here, and we're going to simply correct most of the things, like this one right here that says ads 2023 modern note taking app. Hi guys, if I tap in again, then click on this save button, it is still going to save. Okay, but for you to save it, we need to add ads to it, okay, before we can go ahead and save it. For instance, if you want to add ads, just go ahead and come back to your profile here, social bar, copy your social bar, copy it, then come back here. Okay, you can see this is Adsterra ad right here. Just highlight this, then paste it here. Then let's see how it is. Click on this open button. You can see the banner showing right here. Okay, you can go ahead and add more ads to this. Okay, so if you want to add more ads, just edit the script from DeepSeek, tell it to add more ads to a specific section of the application. Okay, this is the social bar ad. Okay, right. So for us to host this, we're gonna save it as that Android app 1, then add. When you save that, go to the next section, which is your GitHub. Log into your GitHub. When you log into your account, click on this plus button, then click on new repository, then add the name of your repository. Okay, let's say then click on create repository, then click on upload existing file, then click on this button right here that says select your file. Then we're going to simply select the file you've already saved. Okay, so let's go to the recent files. I'm going to say HTML index z. Okay, let's select index z as the file you want to use. Okay, when you select that, then click on this commit changes, then it is loading. Then the next thing you have to do right now, simply click on the settings button, then click on pages, this section that says none, select men, then click on save button. Give it a while. This is going to simply pop up a link for you. Okay, let's refresh it. All right, so you can show here the link is ready. This is the link of the app. Then click on this view button here. All right, so you can show here the app is fully functional and it is working perfectly. Okay, so all you need to do right now is simply go ahead and save this. You copy the link from GitHub, then head over to this very platform right here. Remember, we're going to simply convert this particular web app to a mobile app. Okay, and you have to simply head over to this very website right here, which is called Mobidola. Come over to this very website. Make sure you sign up on this platform right here. Okay, this platform is going to help you to create a mobile app without coding. Okay, and I've already made a video on how you can turn this web page to a mobile app. And if you want me to make a separate video for this particular one right here, I want you to comment app on the comment section. Okay, if I see your comment, then I'm going to simply monetize this app with AdMob. Okay, found this video helpful, I want you to hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel, and join us on the Telegram channel to stay updated on what we do here. See you in the next video.